Hey guys. We actually have a big snow. She got a lot of snow today. It's been pretty snowy. It snowed on January 16th. It's been 2 years. Well, here's my Bryant my Bryant covered in snow. It's that thing covered in snow, but here's my Bryant covered in snow. There's snow on kind of a compressor right there, as you can see. 2012, 2.5 ton. Very cold because of it's snowy. Behind here's New York. I think I'll be looking at some of the neighborhood air conditioners in the snow. Maybe I will. I don't know if I will or not because I'm older now. I'm not going to tell you my exact age because for privacy reasons, but I am older than I was in 2022, obviously, so here's the train right there. So I'm not going to go too crazy, but yeah, that's the 3 air conditioners in the snow. Luckily, I did not slip like I did in 2022. So yeah, let's go take a look at look at this, push snow. So we're out in the snow. So, it's been actually a very long time since I've gotten everything in the snow, since I've filmed units in my neighborhood, but here's this guy. And there's not much on it, though, so I feel like a creep doing this. These units don't have much on them, but so I'm probably not going to go too crazy, but this is not good to be doing with 12% battery because it'll die very soon. The Goodman, however, though, that Goodman over there is covered. That 2013 2.5 ton Goodman that got fenced away in August of 2022. Put a link to the video, by the way. I'm doing this because finally we got snow again. We haven't gotten snow in quite a while now, so I really wanted to make a video. This is the January 16th snow down, so looks very beautiful out here. Let's check out the red achiever. There it is. 1997 Road Achiever. This is all I'll look at here. And then I'll end the video. Take pictures. Yeah, I'm getting more than just my the train Bryant New York. So you can actually get a good close-up the 2014 Ream Value Series air conditioner. Alright, let's go back. Beautiful white tracks. Yeah, it's been forever since you guys have actually seen real snow, so like we saw you guys saw some couple of freezing rain days, but you guys haven't seen snow since March 12th, 2022. I re-uploaded videos from then, but I haven't actually got any new ones, so yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching, and over and out.